Hi, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC out here on the east side of Clark Road in Sarasota. And we just finished up doing the repair with the rats had damaged the liner. I wish I had gotten a video of it, but that's alright. We'll just describe it for you. It was a big hole. And this is what we come up with here. Cal did a great job. We got it all rocked back up together again. And there's Kyle. Say hi, Kyle. He did a nice job, right? We got it all done. They're all foamed in. Dogs all going again. Everything's looking wonderful. And I'm sure the customer is going to be very, very happy to see her waterfall back up again. Well, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC, and we will be talking to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.